profile. I made it 2 meters high. Didn't know what length the whole thing was. You've got the curves. Right, 3mm with the 3mm deep. You've got lines here which are, I've done it with a 3mm cutter at 10mm deep, just so they can be marked. They can be changed to whatever depth. So that's just putting the marks on for where you got to cut. And then these are cutouts. These are outside the line, and that's outside the line. So the cutter is running around here and around here. So that's outside the line, outside the line, outside the line. So if I reset the preview, I've got to actually make the profile cut, so it will show. It does a whole lot for you. So that was made in Aspire to make the dome. I imported the dome into VCarve Pro and did the toolpath in there. So yes, it is possible. Okay, Jason, you owe me a bottle of whiskey.